So you just sit down on your computer and Windows asks for your password, but your brain just blanks out and you type everything except for the right one. And if you're wondering, can I just check my Windows 10 password somewhere? I got the answer, and now here's the thing. Windows won't show you actual password, but there are two easy ways to recover it or reset it depending on the type of account you are using. In this video, I'll walk you through both. If you are using a Microsoft account or if you are on a local account with no email linked. So let's get started. So if you are using Microsoft account, you can go to any device with a browser, open Chrome, Edge or any browser you have and go to accounts.live.com/password/reset. Enter your Microsoft email, the one you use to sign into your Windows, and choose how you want to verify. You can get a code via email or phone. You can just pick the one you have access to. Then you can reset your password, and once verified, you can just set a new password. And now you can go back to your PC and log in with the same new password. So if you use a local account with no Microsoft email, you can't view your password, but you can change it. So for that, you can log into Windows if you can, and if you are already in, you can press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and then choose a new password and enter your old password to set a new one. And if you have forgotten your old password but can't log in at all, you will need to reset it using a password reset disk or reinstall Windows, which is a bit more advanced. And if you use Google Chrome or have saved your password there, you can check in your Google Chrome passwords. You might have stored your Microsoft account login there. And that's how you can figure out or reset your Windows 10 password, whether you are using Microsoft account or a local one. So if this video helped you, you can hit subscribe for more easy fixes like that, and leave a comment if you are still stuck. I read every comment and will be happy to help you out. So thanks for watching, and maybe write your new password down earlier so you don't have to mess with things.